Hello, myself Dr. Sudha, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government Science College, Autonomous, Bengaluru. Topic Group Theory. In this lab, we are going to discuss how to construct Cayley table using Maxima software. Cayley table. Before going to the definition of Cayley table, let us define what is binary operation. Let G be a non-empty set. An operation star on non-empty set G is said to be binary if A star B belongs to G for all AB belongs to G. Addition table. A Cayley table is constructed for a modular groups such that if AB belongs to G, then A addition modulo NB is said to be R, where R is the remainder obtained by dividing A plus B by N. Similarly, one can construct multiplication table. The Cayley table is constructed for a modular group such that if AB belongs to G, then A multiplication modulo NB is said to be R if R, where R is the remainder obtained by dividing A into B by N. Let us discuss some examples. Construct Cayley table for G equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 with respect to the operation addition modulo 5. So let us create Cayley table of the given set G with respect to the given operation, that is addition modulo 5. So we consider the elements of G in the first row as well as in the first column, and with the help of the binary operation given, that is addition modulo 5, we fill in the entries here. For example, 0 plus 0, that is plus, states that it is addition modulo 5, so it gives us 0. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 plus 4 is 4. Likewise, we can fill up all the elements provided the elements after adding are less than 5. That is, they are divided by 5 and the remainder obtained are written in these blocks if the elements after adding are equal to 5 or more than equal to 5. Now let us go to the Maxima program. So it is killall. Killall command deletes the user variables, functions, arrays, etc. and resets all the internal variables to their default state. Now let us take n is equal to 5 because set 5 is the set given to us. So n is equal to 5. Now to obtain the Cayley table for addition modulo 5, the command is zn underscore add underscore table of n. So this add denotes the addition table for zn, that is here n is 5. So we get addition modulo 5 table for set 5 elements. So this command, that is zn underscore add underscore table of n, shows an addition table of elements in set n. So it considers all the elements of set n and it will construct a table which is similar to the Cayley table. Let us move on to the Maxima window. Put down the command here, that is the Maxima code here. Let us execute this. On execution, we get the table which contains the elements of Z5 after the operation using addition modulo 5, because this was the table we obtained on constructing manually. So here we had the first row and first column which contained the elements of Z5. Whereas in this output, we get only the elements which are obtained after the operation using addition modulo 5. Now let us move on to the second example. Construct Cayley table for G is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is Z6 with respect to multiplication modulo 6. The previous example was with respect to addition modulo. Now we are considering multiplication modulo. So let us create the Cayley table of the given set G with respect to the given operation, that is multiplication modulo 6. So this is how the table looks like. The first row contains the elements of G, that is Z6, and first column also contains the elements of Z6. And these are the elements which are obtained after applying multiplication modulo 6 on any two elements of G. So 0 with 0 gives us 0, 1 into 1 gives us 1, whereas 2 into 3, which gives us 6 on dividing by 6, we get the remainder 0, so 0 is entered here. Likewise, 4 into 2 is 8 when divided by 6 leaves remainder 2, so 2 is entered here. Similarly, 5 into 5, 25, on dividing 25 by 6, we get the remainder 1, so 1 is entered. Likewise, the entire table is created, and this is the Cayley table with respect to multiplication modulo 6 on the elements Z6. Now let us move on to the Maxima program, Kilol. Kilol once again deletes the user variables, functions, arrays, etc. and resets all the internal variables to their default state. Next, since the group was Z6, we take n is equal to 6. And the command to create multiplication modulo table is zn underscore mult underscore table. Within the bracket, we write n comma all. Here, n comma all, when you give this command, this table shows the multiplication table of elements in Zn star, that is all non-zero elements in Zn. It will not take the zero element, it will take only the non-zero elements. Suppose if all is not given in this command, if you are taking only Zn underscore mult underscore table of n, then this shows the multiplication table of all elements in Zn star, that is once again non-zero elements in Zn, which are co-prime to n, which are only co-prime to n are considered. So let us move on to the Maxima window. Let us put this command in the Maxima window now. So this is the command. On execution, we get this to be the multiplication table for Z6. Here also, once again, when we constructed manually, we had returned the first row and first column, whereas in this table, we don't have this row and this column, as well as this 0 row and 0 column here, because this element 0 is not considered. Only non-zero elements will be considered here, and only these entries are in the output of the Maxima code. Hope everybody followed how to construct Cayley tables with respect to addition modulo as well as multiplication modulo. Thank you.